This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, June 4th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have another system coming into the northern and central plain states. Some energy ahead of it could bring us some periods of some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two. Temperatures will be fairly cool across the state with 60s to lower 70s, so it looks to be more rain than thunderstorms. Severe weather is not anticipated, mainly to our south and west over Kansas and Oklahoma, however. The rain begins to move off here on Wednesday. We could see early day showers, maybe into the early afternoon across our eastern counties. Otherwise, the rain will move into the Great Lakes, down across the central and southern plains again. Severe weather is certainly possible again down there. Highs still remaining in the 60s and 70s even here into Thursday as the system moves off to the south and east. We have a tropical system moving into the eastern Gulf. Could be a tropical depression. Tropical wave we'll have to see, but heavy rain across Florida. That moves up the east coast with the storm system also across that part of the country. GFS wants to stick some moisture still around. Maybe we could see some early morning clouds, maybe some fog, but no rain likely here on Friday with highs in the 70s. Then the next storm system approaches from the west with some showers and maybe a thunderstorm again here on Saturday into Saturday night. Severe weather, it doesn't look likely, but we'll have to wait and see on that and see if that changes in the next couple of days. Sunday, that system moves into the state with some showers and thunderstorms with temperatures in the lower to middle 70s. Not real hot weather, especially for the first week in June, or not even unlike last year, however. That system moves away here Monday to begin the new work week across the Great Lakes and the upper Ohio River Valley. We have pretty much a northwesterly flow aloft by that point, so it'll stay at or below average. And even here into next Tuesday, we still have a northwesterly flow around a ridge that's beginning to set up across the Rockies, the southwest, and into the southern plains. With that northwesterly flow, that's going to keep the temperatures tick below average, but it'll also keep the storm systems coming at us, and it looks like another one will be approaching from the west with some more showers and maybe a thunderstorm possible at that time. So it looks like it's going to get more active into next week. But by the end of the week into the next weekend, here on the 15th, we have a ridge overhead with the center of the ridge well to our south across the lower and middle Mississippi River Valley, trough over the east and over the west, and that'll keep a lot of the rain just to our north. Yeah, there could be a shower or storm that may come into the state, and especially in the northern counties, but it looks to be quite warm. Highs well into the 80s if this is right by that point. At the end of the forecast here on the 19th, now we have a bit of a trough coming in. The westerlies are moving back toward us again. Ridge over the southwest and into the Intermountain West. And with that energy moving across, that could mean more showers and thunderstorms possible. Maybe severe weather. It's way too early to determine that more than 2 weeks out, but it's certainly possible as we're still in the middle of our severe weather season. The satellite image from last evening showed a pretty good storm system over Quebec, with the cold front just moving off the eastern seaboard, some complexes of showers and thunderstorms in the plains with the next system that'll be bringing us rain later today into early Wednesday. The watch warning map from last evening, we still have some frost advisories in the UP of Michigan and in the upper part of lower Michigan, some flooding issues across North Dakota, Montana, and through the Mississippi River Valley, and a severe thunderstorm watch in Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle region. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts across the state anywhere between about a half to maybe an inch and a half of rain, heaviest to our south and along the eastern seaboard.